Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Grand Design Momentum 29G G-Class 2 slide out travel trailer toy hauler. Got 220 LP pound bottles on the front, power tongue jack, spot for 2 batteries, all 4 corner stabilizer jacks. You are prepped for a generator. Your docking station, water cable hookups. Still 30 amp service. You do have a fuel fill station. Built-in ladder for roof access. Large patio with the awning over the top, prepped for a backup camera. Two entry doors, one into the garage. Outside speakers. And your other entryway into the living area. Another storage. Walking into the 29G, nice linoleum floor, large refrigerator, doggy drawer underneath. You do have a good amount of counter space, flush mount cover with a large oven. Cover over your stainless steel sink. Good amount of overhead cabinet space. Nice drawers and storage underneath the sink. Solid door separating the garage. Theater seating. They do recline, have heat and massage. Ducted AC. Your Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Built-in speakers. More storage, TV on a swivel arm, CD, AM, FM stereo, more storage, motion sensor lighting, pocket door to the bathroom. You can also access from the bedroom, nice legroom around the toilet, shower with overhead skylight and exhaust fan. Your other pocket door goes into the bedroom with the queen walk-around bed that's on a slide out. Overhead storage, nice wardrobe space, plugs, USB charging station, plenty of drawers and a wardrobe. Spot for your second TV, second air conditioner. You do have a bath and a half in this model. So you'll see another toilet and sink here. Overhead storage in the garage. You do have heat and AC. Spot for another television. We ordered the 2 beds, so you have a bed up top and the bench pass-through seating down low that makes into a bed. Spot for your table.